Hello, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall, and today we recognise that not all twins are identical, such as these two amazing Elddis Sorrento 150 motorhomes. As you can see, this one's been finished in grey paintwork, whereas this one's got silver paintwork. This one's an automatic, whereas that one is a manual. This one's on the Fiat, and this one's on Peugeot. But don't take my word for it, have a look, tell us what you think in the comments below.
I'm in the hole, just waiting for my momentary stride. Then press the other way on Pharaoh's fury ride. I want so bad to find a way to get out. Stop the swing.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos across social media.